Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Hydration is so important, and that is why I have fell in love with this Trader Joe's Argan oil. I love how lightweight that this oil is. Ever since that I have hit 40, I try to make sure that every night I am putting it on my face. And I also like that it's great for other things than just besides the face, so I love to rub it into my hands also. And I also appreciate that it doesn't make my face feel greasy. So in the mornings I can put it on, then my face cream with a little moisturizer. Then I can go put my cream-based makeup on and then a little bit of powder over the top of it. And then I'm ready to go. And afterward, I feel like I'm moisturized, I feel like I'm hydrated, and my skin just looks absolutely glowing. I love how this argan oil puts a little glow, a little bit of moisturizer into my life. And to be honest, I've had a few comments about people saying how my skin looks after. And that is just my point of view.